Today I have Nissan Sunny. It's a B15 model. This vehicle has a problem. The first problem is not accelerating, then loss of power, high consumption, and those are the main things that I've been told. Another thing is check engine on the dashboard. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. So I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. So B15 key engine. Yes, read the code. The code is P0100, which is mass sensor circuit. So the problem is mass airflow sensor. So I had to change the mass airflow sensor. That was the main culprit according to diagnostic machine. The reason why it fails is because of oil deposit. See, we have oil deposit on the inlet manifold. So I had to clean. See, we have a lot of oil on that sensor, so we had to swap the new sensor. Then I had to clean the mass that inlet manifold to make sure it is dry. Sometimes that code P0100 can cause by the open circuit, can cause by the ECU, but according to this vehicle, the main problem was the mass airflow sensor. So I had to replace everything, and I went back to the diagnostic machine so that I clear that code from the system. See, I had to clear that code from the system. See, there's no any fault code on the system, so I had to start the vehicle again. But the problem was acceleration. When you accelerate, stall or shut down. But I realized the problem is fuel. There was low pressure on the fuel pump, so there is no return on that return pipe. So I suspected the fuel pump. So I had to go back to the back seats to remove the fuel pump. So after removing I had to replace with a new fuel pump. I have done this because sometimes those fuel pump they have dirty filters, so I had to replace with a new fuel pump. So after replacing a new fuel pump, I had to start the vehicle again. Right now the vehicle is running smooth, it's accelerating, the engine is stable. I had to remove that pipe to confirm the return. See, so we have fuel coming out of the return pipe, meaning that the main problem was the fuel pump and mass airflow sensor.